This video is on how to determine angles between 0 and 360 degrees that have the same cosine value. Quick reminder that cosine, if you're on a unit circle, the cosine value is related to the x-coordinate. All right, so let's use an example. So here we have point P. Here we have point P right here. And the angle for this point P from here to here, this is 25 degrees. The x-coordinate for this point P is this length right here, 0.91. And if you were to do the cosine of 25 degrees, you'd get 0.91. All right, so question is, where else on this unit circle does it have the same cosine? Cosine is related to the x-coordinate, or basically the width, the distance from the middle here to here, 0.91. So where else on this unit circle does it have that exact same width, same x-coordinate? Well, if I were to start here at point P and I were to draw a vertical line straight down till I get to the circle, this point right here, where it touches it, that has the exact same x-coordinate. I'm going to call this point T. So let's find out what angle is related to that point T. So I drew a line from here to here. The angle for that point T is the same as if I started here and I went basically all the way around till I got to this line that goes to T. We're trying to find out how much is that angle right there. Reminder that (0 degrees and 360 degrees is right over here, is that horizontal vertical line. 90 degrees is up here. 180 degrees is over here. And 270 degrees is down here. All right, so if I know that the distance from, let's use a couple different colors. Okay, let's say we'll call this my orange line, and we'll call the other one from here to here, I'm going to call that my purple line. Okay, so if I know that the distance from my x-axis to this orange line here, if that is 25 degrees, that's going to also be how many degrees from here to here. So those two are equal to each other. So this here is 25 degrees going down. My purple line here is going to be less than a full circle. My full circle is 360 degrees. And this purple line is basically not quite 360 degrees. It's a little bit less than 360 degrees. if we want to be exact, it is 360 degrees minus that 25. Because if I had gone this extra 25, I would reach that 360. But I don't. I only go up to this purple line. So 360 minus 25 is 335 degrees. So this point P, which is at 25 degrees, and this point T, which is at 335 degrees, has the exact same x-coordinate. So therefore, cosine of 25 degrees is equal to cosine of 335 degrees. Let's do another example. Let's say I had this. And let's try to use the same colors here. All right, so my point P is down here. The angle for point P goes from here to here, and that is 250 degrees. So we're trying to find out where else on this circle does it have that exact same x-coordinate. And just a record, my cosine of 250 degrees, that's the distance from here to here, which is 34 degrees. Sorry, 0.34. The cosine of 250 is 0.34, or about equal to that. All right, now let's find out where else on this circle does it have that exact same cosine. Since cosine is related to my x-coordinate, let's find out where else on here does it have the exact same x-coordinate. So I'll draw a vertical line from P until it touches the circle. And that point right there, point right here, that will have the same x-coordinate. I'll call that T. Now let's draw a line from point T to my origin. And the angle for point T will be from here to there. Just like before, 0 degrees and 360 degrees is to the right. 90 degrees is up. 180 degrees is to the left. And my 270 degrees is down. All right, so how do I find out how much that purple angle is? One way I could do this is I can look at this distance right here from my 270 to here. If I can find out how much that is, that should be the exact same as from here to here. All right, so this point P is at 250 degrees. This point P is at 250 degrees. Over here is 270. So the distance between these two is 20 degrees, or that distance is 270 minus your 250. Or basically 20 degrees from here to here. Okay, so if that's 20 degrees, that means up here, this is 20 degrees. since my vertical line right here is 90 degrees, since that's 90, and then the red to the purple, this red arrow is 20, that means my purple is 90 plus 20 degrees, or 110 degrees.